Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up Auto Invest on Bybit. Firstly, log into your Bybit account and on the navigation bar, click on Buy Crypto, then one-click Buy. Select Auto Invest from the menu bar or find it under Buy with Fiat. Now choose payment method and select fiat or cryptocurrency you'll use. Select Asset to pick the coin you want to purchase. Now input how much you want to invest each time and set frequency like daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, and set the date and time for recurring purchases. Now double check all your plan details and tick I agree to Bybit's terms of service and policy, then confirm. And your Auto Invest plan is now active. Bybit will automatically execute your purchases according to your schedule. You'll receive an email confirmation for each scheduled purchase. To review, go to View Details under your Auto Invest dashboard. Just a tip, Auto Invest is great for long-term investors who want to smooth out price volatility and build positions gradually without manual trades. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.